Or break my wallet.
Don't get me wrong. I love BMWs. They have made me a lot of money over the years. But
I was going to say, is that
I
why?
I don't. Any friends or family? No, you do not want that unless you're leasing. You can lease it and get rid of it, or if you're in the trade, yes, you
Yeah,
can
that's
get
another big
parts
thing.
at cost and you do your own labor, but
Yep.
you'll learn to love to hate it because
That's
you'll be
exactly
spending
it.
a lot of time
A
fixing it,
lot of time.
especially if you play hard with it. That's the other thing.
But
too.
it looks good.
Well, it looks good. I like that.
Well, it's also like, yeah, you maybe spend $200 on a tool, but you go and do the job again. The tool saves you an hour of frustration.
Mm.
It saves you your hands getting cut up. Like, okay, yeah, you spend a bit of money, but you know how many times it's been nice to be able to be like, oh, I have a socket that's specifically good for that type of job. You
Mm-hmm.
pull it out, and the job, instead of taking half an hour of frustration, it's a 30-second thing.
Makes life easier for you.
And it pays itself off very quickly. So
There you
yeah, it's
go.
expensive, but it is an investment in yourself at the end of the day.